Hey everyone, Tom Gentile. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room. It's Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. I apologize. We had some technical difficulties on the live event, so I'm going to make this a very quick update for you. And hopefully you'll get this as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and get started. So I was talking about how the market actually started out negative last night. It turned positive in the morning, and wanted to take a look at my support and resistance numbers. So we're going to take a look at that right now. So we're going to start off with, I'm going to go to my list. And inside my list, I've got SPY, which popped up but is hitting resistance right now around the 275 area. I'd mentioned this as a resistance number a couple of days ago, all right, because it actually represents a very interesting Fibonacci level, which I'm going to share with you here in a moment. TLT actually has dropped down. That is in line with the pop this morning, but it's flattened out as well. Okay, if we move on, you'll see that UUP, this is the dollar. Now the dollar started out, it dropped down this morning, but since then, if you see this candle's actually been moving higher, which is telling us that traders, although they dumped dollars this morning, they're starting to buy them back. All right. When you take a look at USO, this is one that, you know, the market's moved up so much this morning. USO should have followed. The fact that it did not, the fact that it's literally sitting where it is right now, where it closed yesterday, very, very negative for the oil, energy, and travel industry. All right. Take a look at gold, and you can see gold popped up really nicely yesterday. All right. Now, it was up again last night, sold off this morning, but it has come back. And so when I look at that little cross you see there, the open and where we are right now is very, very close. And I like gold for the long term. This was the highs we had earlier this year. It's actually just a month ago. We get above those highs, and I'm going to be looking at a long-term chart on gold. I believe gold will run back to its $1,900 an ounce level, probably closer to $2,000. That would push this GLD up to around 180, all right, $180 a share. Now, a couple other ones I want to show you. Take a look at Facebook. It's running with the market, pulling back again after that open today. Take a look at Amazon. Same situation, ran up, had a pop up, has pulled back, is trading. Although it's up today, it's trading lower than it opened. Same thing for Apple. It opened near its high, and it's now trading near the lows of its range today, even though it's still positive. Netflix, same situation. Netflix is actually negative on the day, all right, because it closed. It's actually lower than where the close was yesterday. Take a look at Google. Google popped this morning, was trading above around 1220. Now it's back down to 1192. All right, so when you look at the FANG stocks, they're all kind of saying the same thing. Yesterday, we had the rally on Friday. We had the rally, big rally yesterday. We had a pop this morning, but now things are starting to sell off, right? So what does this look like for the rest of the market when you look at it on an intraday basis? Well, this is what it looks like. Here's SPY. All right, so take a look at SPY. You can see here that this was the open, literally the opening high. If I take this back just a little bit, you can see what happened. We had an open, we sold down, went negative for a little bit. Now we're rolling back and we're actually becoming a little more positive, but I would keep an eye on that opening low since we crossed it already, that could be an area where we gravitate to once again today. The bond market dropped, but it's trading in a range right now. It's very range bound since the first hour today. The US dollar opened near the low side, and it was down around 27. It's come back quite a bit, and now it's near its highs for today, so are traders buying back US dollars? Is there something that we don't know about yet? And then USO, oil. Take a look at USO. So it opened, all right, and you can see here it's open. It was pretty much in slightly lower. All right, we ran up, we've come back down, and we're down almost 1% today. This is really inconsistent with the markets, and that just tells me that if you look at everything here, oil still seems to be trending lower, while the market's trying to find footing on the upside. All right. So today, next week, and the rest of April look like this. You know, again, look at the first hour of the day for trends. We've got earnings reports coming up this week. Delta's the one I think is going to be the most important to me, and that is scheduled to come out tomorrow. All right, as far as the rest of the month, it looks like companies will be reporting earnings, and everyone's up in the air as to what these companies are going to report. And I think this could spell the end of this short-term rally that we're seeing. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for joining me on this quick edition of Tom's Trading Room and our midday report. And I'll be back to talk to you again same time tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye now.